This is part 2 of that video. As I attempt to just let the goo melt itself out so I could just clean it. This black cat oozed itself down by sheer gravity, and I can't get this thing on because it just keeps oozing. It just keeps oozing down, and then to my surprise, when this cat slid its way down, this thermal wire came loose. I don't know why it came loose, but I do know that without it, it can't heat up. Apparently, none of the controls would work without it. Let me see. Let me see if I could move it. No. So I'm not sure what to do at this point. It's cold to the touch because apparently this wire is important for the temperature. I can't believe that last night it created such a mess in that cat. I can't believe when preheat to clean it, and it was just slipped right off. It just starting slip right off, and then dangled there, and then it fell. The outer goo just melt off, but the inner goo is still there. I'm not sure what to do at this point. Is it I'm not sure how to fix this. I'm not sure if this under the warranty or what. It's kind of a shame that his first attempt printing straight off from the video. I'll show you the video that I'm going to show. It's the Robo video on YouTube getting started. What a shame. I can get this, and I'm not now. I don't know if it's covered warranty or not.